Hello, today we will be discussing the wire and conduit selector available on the Werner Electric Supply website. To navigate to the selector, there's a few different ways of going about this. And the first way is by shop by category. If you jump over to the left side of your screen and click the shop button, you can then go ahead, scroll down to wire, cable, and conduit. And then from here, you'll be greeted with a series of different options. If you'd like the quick button to get to this screen, you can also simply just click Shop Wire and Conduit up on our header. Now looking at our options, we can see that certain products have been called out whether or not they are a product selector. And if we scroll to our example of copper building wire, we can go ahead and click within here, choose our option of spool. And at this point, we are simply just going to choose from the drop-down options and add the item to our cart. So if we go ahead and choose our option of THHN, the next option of solid, a wire size of 12, a wire color of black, and one thing to note, some of these options are grayed out. That is system by design to ensure that customers are able to select the correct option based upon their prerequisites. Now choosing that color of black, and then lastly, the spool length of 500 feet. We can then see that pricing is displayed as well as stock and the product data regarding the specific product. At this point, we can go ahead, add the item to our cart, and we can now see that the product is displayed within our cart. Lastly, the other way of navigating to the wire and conduit selector is via search term. And to do this, you can either perform a simple search or something that's a little bit more specific. So if we perform a simple search term, such as conduit, and trigger that search, we can then see that we're brought to the conduit page with a series of different options that we can go ahead and specify from. The other option is searching for something more specific. So if we search for something such as 1/2 inch PVC, trigger our search, we can then see we are brought to the specific selector for this. And at this point, you can go ahead, click within the drop downs, and add the item to your cart and transact further on the website.